So recently I made a video talking about how you can exchange your cryptocurrencies for the best price ever using this best exchange website. So this is like a list of all websites that are actually out there that gives the best rates for your cryptocurrency, so that you don't lose a lot of money in the process of exchanging your cryptocurrency, which what we mainly focus on this channel, so that you don't lose your cryptocurrency that much in the process of exchanging it into for US dollars, for euros, or whatever exchanges that you want to use, or whatever crypto money that you want to exchange it into. So in today's video, I'm actually going to also don't forget to get your free cryptocurrency right there with the BTC Faucet. Just claim for free. As you can see, just claim my 150. Just showed you claiming my 150 in the recent video. So anyways, if you haven't checked that video, go check it out. I think I'm going to upload it the previous day before this one. So this is like one of my best exchanges that I use. This is like my top one website that I use when it comes to exchange, because it gives the best rates ever and it's just awesome. I love it. So basically with this website, I'm going to leave a link down below. You create your account first, as I emphasized in the previous video. Always make sure that you create your website first when it comes to these exchanges, because you want to make sure that you have proof. You have proof if anything goes wrong, so that because remember, with cryptocurrency there are no traces. You can't really trace a cryptocurrency if it is lost. If it's lost, it's lost. So always make sure that you sign up first. So the link down below, I think it's gonna get you straight to the sign up page. So you sign up, you sign in. Once you sign in, basically that's when then you start your process of exchanging. Once you sign up, then you confirm your emails and so forth. That's the sign in button. You just sign in into the dashboard. So anyways, with this one, so there are two fees that are on this website. This is why I like it, because these fees will never change. They're constant, and unlike the other websites where you end up having extremely high fees because they are paid in Bitcoin or so forth. So here there's only two fees. The first one is going to be $10 straight fee, like there's no change on that one. So the minimum that you need to exchange on this website is $11 at least, so that if you're going to withdraw $11, you're going to get $1 in the end. So I would recommend that you use this website when you know that the $10 is like less than 10% of your money, because I mean, so you want to withdraw $12 so that you pay $10 fee and then $2 to your account. So if you have like let's say maybe $25 and above that you want to exchange, then this is the website for you. So basically you would want to send, let's say $25 right there, and then you want to receive let's say so with this coin, again, with this website you can exchange Bitcoin, Litecoin, and then all these different money processing platforms right there, or cryptocurrency, or whatever you want to call them. So here we say basically this is going to be Bitcoin, right? So, and then you want to receive PayPal. So you can receive PayPal, Euro, Perfect Money, Web Money, all these exchanges that you guys use. You can also receive Visa card, USD and Euro only, I guess. So let's just select PayPal, because this is my favorite, and I know most of you also use PayPal. So let's say you wanted to exchange 0.002 Bitcoin. So you basically get, this is like about $20 right now. So you basically get $9. So there's $10 fee plus 4% fee on top of that. So it's a $10 flat rate, and then the service fee, as you can see, that is the service fee that is just being calculated. So even if you go 5, you want to see that it's just going to increase by a couple percentage. Actually, it didn't increase or anything, because as I said, it's a flat fee. So it doesn't matter whether you're trading one Bitcoin, it will just change because of that 6%. Like now it's 6%. So to trade is going to be 6%. Why? Because there's that fee of service fee, which is 4%, and then there's that $10 on top of that. So that runs up to 6% at the time of rate calculations right now. So as you can see, this one is legit. This is what I use mostly when I change my money, because it's just better to use this one than any other cryptocurrencies out there. Then most exchanges that I've seen, most of them are just scams. They just take your money and then you never get it. So this one is the fastest. Less than 2 hours you get your money in your account. It's basically instant, automatic, and there's no much hassle with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, leave a comment down below. Also check out the Telegram group that we got if you got any questions, and I'll help you out in there. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.